Right. What a guan man. It is November 10th. Monday. Nope. It is the 10th, but it's Tuesday. Anywho, I am coming in to show you what I just did for dinner. I have some Zatarain's rice, the parboiled rice, and Trini style chicken curry. And it is hot, hot, hot. It's hot, man. So, look at all of that goodness. Ooh. I am not going to, I'm going to put the recipe up, but I'm going to put it up on my Facebook page. So if you want the recipe, go to my Facebook page. And in fact, I'm just going to start doing that for all of the dinner vlogs. The ones that are rather lengthy. That way they'll be there for those of you that want it. But, oh my gosh, if you guys could smell this house. It smells amazing. Are we in the islands, guys? They're into something.
She's trying to get that bear jar.
Oh. But Mom, yes.
Get the animal taking bear jars.
Okay. How does the food smell?
Good.
Good? So there you have it. Gravy, all that thickness. Oh my goodness, I can't wait for this to cool off. I just can't. It is just goodness. Now this may be enough for lunch tomorrow. It may not. It may not make it. Because I know how everybody eats around here. But it's food, and I can always make some more. So, anywho, if you guys enjoy, thumbs up, subscribe, and check out my Facebook page. I will get it up so that you guys can have that recipe. Let me know if you make it, how you make it. Let me know if you try this and how you like it. Until next time, be blessed.